Good King Wenceslas from the beginning. Here we go. So the only really technical concern that I have in this song for you is the D to C to D motion, which happens in measure 3 and measure 7. So when you go to play those notes, make sure you move your fingers fast. Use your tongue to separate the notes ever so slightly. Practice that passage many times, both playing out loud and just silent practice to make sure you get those fingers happening the way they need to. The other thing that's new in this song that we've never experienced before is the 2 dots at the very end. These 2 dots tell you to repeat back to the beginning. So instead of playing 4 measures, and then over, you're actually going to play the same 4 measures a total of 4 times. 4 measures, again. You'll be fine. Lastly, when you're recording, make sure you use headphones, and when you click on the blue playback button, you can hear yourself and no other parts. No accompaniment, no my part, no metronome, only your sound. When you're practicing, you can change the beats per minute from 88 to be slower. However, when you go to record, make sure that you speed it back up to 88, no more, no less. If you're having trouble with the song and can't quite get it up to 88 beats per minute, send me a recording of what you have and plan to record this song again maybe in a few days after you've had a chance to simmer on it and get the speed up in your fingers and your brain. Remember, we're using this for our holiday performance, and I want to have great products to show off to our community, not ones that are below average in terms of what you're capable of in the end game. Thanks, y'all. I appreciate you. I look forward to hearing your recordings. Bye-bye.